In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable recommendations on a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Facebook account. Once you are signed in, switch over to your Facebook business page. This is important because the setting you need is managed from the page, not from your personal profile. After you are on your business page, look to the left-hand menu and click Settings. This will open the main settings area for your page, where Facebook places the tools for managing visibility, communication, and general page options. Inside Settings, find and select how people find and contact you. This section contains controls related to how people discover your page and interact with it. Once you open that section, scroll down until you reach the area with the same name, How People Find and Contact You. As you scroll, look for the option labeled Allow Your Page to be recommended to people looking at similar pages. This is the setting that controls whether Facebook can include your business page in recommendation suggestions when users are viewing pages related to your business or industry. When you find that option, turn the toggle on. In most cases, Facebook will save the change automatically as soon as you switch it. Give it a moment to update. You do not need to look for a separate save button unless Facebook shows one on your screen. Once the setting has had a moment to update, check the toggle again and make sure it remains enabled. This confirms that the change has been applied successfully. If it stays on, then recommendations have been enabled for your Facebook business page. After that, you can return to your Facebook business page. At this point, the setup is complete, and your page is now allowed to be recommended to people who are viewing similar pages on Facebook. This can help improve discoverability for your business by making it easier for relevant audiences to come across your page through Facebook's recommendation system. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.